My name is Libby Garcia, and I'm a kitchen and bath designer for Henry Kitchen and Bath. I became a designer because my dad was a designer. So ever since I was a little girl, I was interested in design. I used to go to work with him, and he'd bring home templates and fabric. It was just always very interesting to me, so I always wanted to be a designer. So 2 weeks out of college, I started doing this and have loved it every day since. Most of my favorite projects are new construction. We're starting with absolutely nothing, and we're building this house all the way to the roof. That's the most gratifying because they have no idea what it's going to look like until it's done. They should expect excitement and inspiration. I like to understand their way of life, how they live, whether they have children or work or retired, and that way we can sort of get to know each other and understand how they live and make that space best for them so that they can love where they live.